At first, the florist had 80 more roses than tulips. After she sold 2/5 of the roses and 4/5 of the tulips, and she had 96 more roses than tulips left. So how many tulips did she have at first? Alright. At first, the number of roses is 80 more than the number of tulips. So we draw the model for the roses to be longer than that of the tulips as shown. Alright, and the statement says that she sold 2/5 of the roses. The denominator 5 is representing the total number of roses. So we're going to cut the model for the roses into 5 equal units. Alright, that means say out of 5 units, she sold away 2 units. And then for the tulips, she sold 4/5 of the tulips. Same thing. Over here, denominator 5 is representing the total number of tulips. So we cut the model of tulips to 5 equal parts. Okay, in this case, she sold away 4 parts, so she got 1 part left. So in the end, what happened is that since she sold away 2 units of roses, so she got 3 units left, and she sold away 4 parts of tulips, so she got 1 part left. Alright, so that's the end model. Okay, and we are told that in the end, she had 96 more roses than tulips left, so this is where we indicate the number 96. Alright, the difference of 96 here. Now, looking at this part of the model, straight away we got to cut a part into 3. Okay, because we're comparing to the top, there are 3 units there, so we got to cut the part into 3 blocks. As we do that, now by comparing the M models again, straight away we know that 1 unit is equal to 1 block plus 32. Alright, 32 comes from 96 divided by 3. Alright, so we are going to substitute all the units by 1 block plus 32. Alright, we do that. So now tulips at first would have 15 blocks, and that for roses will be a block plus 32 times 5, because 1 unit is equal to a block plus 32 as calculated. Then by comparing the models on top here, alright, we will do some cancellations. We cancel away 5 blocks on top, so we're going to cancel away out of 15 5 blocks for tulips, so we are left with 10 blocks of tulips here. So this 10 blocks is equivalent to 32 times 5, alright, minus 80. Okay, so 32 times 5 gives us 160, so the expression becomes 160 minus 80. That in terms gives us 80 as a result. Alright, that's for 10 blocks. So 10 block of flower equals to 80, therefore 1 block will be 8 flowers. Okay, and the question asks how many tulips did she have at first. Looking at the model of tulips at first, she had a total of 15 blocks. So we take 8 multiplied by 15, that gives us 120. Hence, the answer to the questions, she had 120 tulips at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.